This is our new drill bit system for the maintenance shop. I'm going to show you one row real quick and see, just to show you an example. You take all these out, mix them up. Pretty well mixed up. I'm going to start going right now. It's a real simple way. I don't know the sizes very well since I don't use drill bits very often. But to me, it's just extra large, large, medium, and small. And that's how this whole system works. Just try to bunch up a lot of them together as best I can. And I just go. It takes me about 45 seconds per row. So, and there's 8 rows, and that gives you a good guess on how long it takes. Before, it was really hard with the index, and this is just real quick, fast, and easy. That's the 3S drill bit system.